Sammy, great to see you. Now, I understand it's Sterling Urgent Care. You have a mission, and your mission is to strive to exhaust all options for referrals and provide patients with the best service at the lowest cost. So help us understand how your case management team supports this mission.
Yeah, our model is based around providing affordable health care. And within our clinics, our ultimate goal is to be able to do 96% of your health care. So that's not just urgent care, it's primary care as well. But there are times that people are going to need services outside of the clinic, such as an MRI or a CT scan or a surgical procedure. Well, what we do at Sterling Urgent Care with our case management team is we don't just hand the patient a referral and be like, okay, good luck with your $2,000 MRI, right?
Yeah.
So we'll assign that referral to the case manager, and they will actually reach out to the patient and help them negotiate cash pay rates or find the lowest cost possible.
Wow, that's fantastic to hear.
Yeah.
Okay, so very comprehensive in your approach to care with your patients. Okay, but also explain in a little more detail too how your case managers coordinate care and communication with those various parties involved in your patients' treatments.
Yeah, so the case managers, we call it our concierge, the secret sauce.
Okay, I like that.
And so what the case manager will do is after the patient's been seen at our clinic and the referral's been put in, the case manager will take the time to reach out to the patient. They're gonna find out, do you have health insurance? What's your deductible? Because a lot of people have $7,000 deductibles. And so they'll reach out to the patient. If the patient's wanting to use their insurance, they'll take care of the whole pre-authorization process as well. And not only will they do that, they'll actually schedule their appointments for the patient so the patient doesn't have to worry about it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow, so a lot of care and assistance with that.
Yeah.
Okay, tell us too a little bit more about how they handle the referral process.
Yeah, so with a referral, the healthcare system, it can get very complex. And like I say, if somebody does need an MRI, a CT scan, a lot of times those have to be pre-authorized and patients don't know that. So again, the case manager, they'll take care of all that heavy lifting and just make sure that the patient knows when their appointment is. And again, we're going to strive to find them the most affordable cost.
Wow. All right. Tell us too a little bit more to describe the comprehensive case management services that your team provides.
Yeah, like I said, there's imaging where we can get up to an 80% discount. There's also surgical procedures. So for example, I had one patient that had a hernia, went over to the hospital, and they said just for the hospital it's going to be anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000. Well, I was able to coordinate with a surgical center, and we got that surgery for $4,000.
Wow.
So there's huge savings out there, and people just don't realize that they can navigate the healthcare system at an affordable cost.
Yeah, so it's nice to know that they have the support though they needed to do that.
Yes.
Through Sterling. Okay, and what role do your case managers play in pre-authorizing treatments and managing the costs that we were just talking about?
Yeah, so they'll call around to different facilities.
Okay.
Again, they're going to check with the patient and find out if they have insurance. If they're wanting to use it, we'll make sure that we find an in-network facility. If they're not wanting to use it, then again, we'll do the calling around and try to negotiate the best cash pay rate possible.
Okay, so a lot of focus from Sterling not only on the medical well-being of your patients, but also the financial well-being too.
Yeah.
To make sure they can get the care that they need, but that they can also afford it.
Right.
As well, which is a huge, huge deal. Okay, where can people go so they can learn more?
So they can go to sterlingurgentcare.com, or they can call us at 208-542-9111, extension 1006.
Sammy, thank you so much.
Thank you again for having me.